Hello, and welcome to our final project for Data Science 1. For our final project, we analyzed organ donor trends in New York State. New York has some of the lowest registration rates in the country for organ donation, and in this area is definitely the lowest. So we want to analyze what factors are associated with this low registration. So to start out with our website, you can see this map that we have that shows registration rates over time from 2008 to 2018. So for our data, we use New York's open API for health data. We also used county level data using area health resources files, which can be found online, and all of our data can be found using this tab. So analyzing county characteristics, we found 3 candidate models that we analyzed. Our final model had terms including the percent of individuals enrolled in Medicare, race factors, education, and an interaction between education and race. Next, we look to see that if any policies that have been enforced in the past have helped increase organ enrollment. And 3 specific policies have really been aimed at increasing this registration. So we use mixed effects models with splines to estimate whether or not these policies had any effect. We found significant trends for all of them. The biggest one did come after 2017, which this was the lowering of the age, where we saw after the enactment of the policy, registration rate increased by 2.5% every year. If you go to the exploratory tab, we have lots of plots exploring different characteristics. Lastly, we also built a Shiny app where you can once again select through the years and see a choropleth map of New York State and the counties change as the years change. You can also click on this report tab and you can see our full report. Thanks.